Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use keyframes and grabs properly in Alight Motions. So if you want to master keyframes and grabs in Alight Motion for smoother animations, through this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can properly use keyframes and the grabs editor to create professional motion effects. So in here, I'm going to apply the keyframes for text animations. So there are things that you can do in here. So you can just open the Alight Motions application first, and then after that here, since I'm going to use it for text, I'm going to just click on the plus icon and tap on the text options in here. So I'm going to just write my channel's name. To change the phone and everything, you can do it on the top right here. Okay, I'm going to change the font and make the text bigger. And to change the color, you can just click on this. Okay, this is the text. Click on a check icon after you are done creating the text. Now, this is the text position. And here you can just tap on this move and transform option. So this is the current positions of the text. Let's just add the keyframes first. I'm going to add 3 keyframes, one at the start. So this is the keyframe button, and here I'm going to move forward a little bit in here under 1 second mark. Click on another keyframe, and I'm going to add another one at the end, just like this. So there are 3 keyframes, and then let's just go back to the first keyframes right here, and I'm going to move the text to the bottom. You can just move it in here just like this. Okay, now for the second text, I'm going to just leave it as it is. Second keyframe, go to the end or the last keyframes and move the text again to the bottom, like this. So this is how the text looks like without the grab. So let's just add some grab. Here I'm going to add the grabs. So you can just go in between the first and second keyframe and click on this grabs options. So for the first part of the text, I'm going to set the keyframes or the grabs like this. Move it like this and adjust the second dot like this. You can preview the result first. Okay, now for the last 2 keyframes, you need to go to the in between the keyframes again, and I'm going to set it just like this. Okay, now this is the final result. So guys, that's how you can create that's how you can use keyframes and grabs properly in Alight Motion. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.